Two, 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 two. Ba da ba 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 da da da. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Blues is a feeling. It's emotion, it's a way of expressing myself, and I think that's something that blues and opera have in common, I think, actually, because it's all about emotion. Whether it's expressing sadness or joy or the need to dance, I just think blues is a feeling, definitely.
Remember when you said you'd be my sunshine, and I cried, 'cause I thought it would never be my time. I was wrong, you came through to my gray sky blue.
This is my second time in Sardinia. The first time I played in Sassari in the beautiful theatre there called Teatro Civico, I think, and that was a fabulous experience. We were treated so well. This time as well, we've had fabulous hospitality so far. It's been a big pleasure to meet Sardinian people for us. I began singing blues with my father, who's a blues musician, and I began when I was 12 years old. I was very young, but I knew from a very young age that I wanted to be a singer, so it was very easy for me to get up on stage with him. And since then I carried on singing with his band for many years, throughout my teens until I was about 20, and then I started my own band, and I've carried on ever since. So at first she sang blues with my father. They were in a band together, and they also both featured on the original album of Jesus Christ Superstar. But since then my mum has begun to sing opera and she loves it. I always try to convey emotion through my music. So for me, it's very much a two-way street. I need to be getting energy and emotion back from the audience. And for me, I always know when someone in the audience has goosebumps, because I do as well. So it's like an energy transfer. It's very much about trying to get the audience to feel what I'm feeling about that song that I'm singing, and I just immerse myself in the music. Well, unfortunately we haven't been to the sea at all in Sardinia, but I've heard that it's fabulous. So for me, the best thing that I have experienced about Sardinia is the people, because we've been treated so well. They were great, they loved it, I think. They seemed to love it. They bought lots of CDs and they entered into the spirit of it, I think. We created something good together.
Grazie mille. Thank you so much. It's such a pleasure to be here in Sardinia for a very, very Short time, unfortunately, but we can have some fun tonight. I hope you are too.